Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. Did you accidentally delete one of your apps on your home screen? Well, this is how you get that app back on the home screen, okay? So all you have to do is find an empty space. So what I mean by empty space, it's not one of these apps. And then all you have to do is hold down. You'll see this pop up. Then you want to go to the top where it says Edit. Once you go to Edit, hit Add Widget. And from here, you can go down and see the different apps. And so say I want health back on there, then I'm gonna go ahead and click that. We're gonna go add widget. And then now it will be up here. Okay guys, so when you tap the empty space again, it'll be on the page on your home screen. Okay, so go ahead and try that out. I hope this helps. And I'll just add one last thing is, say it looks different. Like you, before in the app, it looked like it was just a little heart. So this is now like a big app. So what you have to do is, our widget, what you have to do is hold it down, and then it allows you to switch back to the small version. Okay, so go ahead and mess around with that and appreciate it. If this video helped, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting. All that stuff helps. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.